2024 is going to be a great year for travel enthusiasts. There are so many mind-blowing places to visit that will leave you awestruck. In this video, we've rounded up 10 of the most incredible destinations that you absolutely cannot miss. First up, we have the stunning Aurora Borealis in Norway. This mesmerizing natural phenomenon is a must-see for anyone who loves Mother Nature's wonders. Next, let's head over to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, where you can dive into an underwater paradise like no other. If you're seeking some ancient history, look no further than the majestic Machu Picchu in Peru. This Incan citadel will transport you back in time with its breathtaking ruins and captivating landscapes. And for those seeking adventure, the magical Trolltunga in Norway offers a thrilling hike with an unbelievable view. If you prefer more urban destinations, the futuristic city of Tokyo, Japan, will blow your mind with its tech-savvy innovations and vibrant culture. And how can we forget the romantic city of Paris, France? From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre Museum, it's a dream destination for art lovers and romantics alike. Other incredible places on our list include the ancient city of Petra in Jordan, the spellbinding Angkor Wat in Cambodia, the colorful streets of Marrakesh in Morocco, and the surreal salt flats of Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Get ready to have your mind blown as we take you on a virtual journey to these extraordinary places in 2024. So sit back, relax, and let the adventure begin.